Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. We can see three consecutive red candles visible on the daily time frame charts of Nifty Spot. And in today's close, Nifty and Bank Nifty both have been closed flat almost. Nifty has closed in red and Bank Nifty has closed in the green territory. Now in terms of trend, you can see that in the daily time frame charts, prices are trading between the dual moving averages. That is why the trend is flat. And in the hourly time frame charts, the trend is down. The reason for that is that the price is trading between both of these dual moving averages. Now, if you remember in my yesterday's video, I had shared a band which was between 18,200 and 18,220. And I also had shared a level which was 18,100. So basically, 18,100 was a support level, all right, and 18,200 to 220 was a resistance level. So I had clearly mentioned that in case if Nifty Spot starts trading above this particular level, then there is a probability that the pullback might continue slightly higher. And I had clearly mentioned the word pullback. Now, what happened today was very surprising. I was not at all expecting that there could be a decent pullback. In fact, a gap up opening in Nifty Spot, and we saw that Nifty Spot almost opened near 18,271, made a high of 18,298 to 99, something like that, and then it started coming down. Now, the reason for today's sell-off was very simple, that this entire swing, if I try to retrace it, then the prices have been facing resistance from the 50% retracement level. Now, over here, the support is still holding on, which is 18,100. So, I guess it's very simple that till the time prices are still trading above 18,100, things are fine, things are okay. But as soon as we start trading below this level of 18,100 and maybe even we close below it, then probably some lower levels will be visible, and those levels could be 18,020 to around 18,000 levels. That is the next support in Nifty Spot. The main reason of today's sell-off possibly in Nifty was, that little bit selling was visible in the PSU banking charts. You can see this, Canara Bank closing 2.5% down. SBI also coming down by almost 2%. There was a earnings report today. Then if you check stocks like Tata Motors, if you check stocks like M&M, and even a few of the metal stocks like Jindal Steel, something like that. All these stocks were coming down today. Even the major large cap stocks like ITC came down by almost quarter to 2% down. Even a stock like LT. So there were many stocks which were participating on the downside. Even a stock like DLF. So there was a lot of selling pressure visible today. But on the good side, we saw that Bank Nifty still managed to close in green, and the reason for that was the private banking stocks. If you check, HDFC has been able to close in green. IndusInd Bank was in green. If you check, ICICI Bank was in green. Kotak Bank was close to 1% up. So these stocks did try to support Nifty by a little bit. And if you remember in my yesterday's video, I had also shared that ICICI Bank is a stock which could possibly see a slight bit of pullback, just a little bit short-term pullback on the upside. And it managed to, test 950, 952. That's it. Now, let's have a look at Bank Nifty Spot. Bank Nifty Spot, if I look in the daily time frame charts, obviously the trend is up. There is no other reason to believe that the trend is weak or possibly prices will come down. But one needs to understand that now we have locked in a range on the upside. Possibly the range is somewhere around, you can say 44,150, and on the downside, the range is 43,447. And in between, we have a support band. So this is the upside range, which is at 44,144 or 44,150 in terms of round figure. And the other lower band is at 43,450. This is the entire range for the short term. Now, in between, there is also a support level, which is at 43,744 to 43,537. Now, in case and till the time prices are trading above 43,450, 43,400, till the time possibly there could be knee-jerk reactions here and there in intraday. But overall, I should say the state of trend could be positive in Bank Nifty. But the day we break this low and the day we close below this low, little bit of correction in Bank Nifty spot will be visible. All right. So as of now, it is very, very difficult to, try to gauge for a very big up move price, because even in yesterday's video, I had clearly told that we have come down, and after that we have been able to close within that support band. And after this close of the support band, we opened gap up, we rallied pretty nicely. We also tried to trade above 43,900, but again, possibly in the midday, some sell-off started. So problem is prices are not sustaining on the higher levels in Bank Nifty, and at lower levels we have a support. So we need to wait and watch and understand whether these support levels are getting broken and we are moving down, or we are still going to stay range bound for the next few days. That is something which we need to wait and watch and understand. And as per my analysis, when generally markets are pretty much range bound and it is difficult to understand where market is heading, it is better to trade less, better to wait out for a clear picture, especially as a swing trader. An intraday trader would have a little bit of ease at that point of time if there is some sort of volatility coming in. But as a swing trader, I think you need to start looking at sectors, start looking at stocks, which were possibly, rallied pretty nicely and now they are coming down. So maybe when the cool off process gets completed in the Nifty Bank Nifty, and when the market is pretty much ready to go higher, you will know which stocks to participate in. All right. So I hope today's video was helpful to understand the overall state of trend of market, and especially Nifty and Bank Nifty. Try to share this video with other traders who might find it helpful, and possibly comment on my video if you feel it is helpful for you. It will help the YouTube algorithm to understand that is a helpful video, and will try to share with other traders also. Trade safely. Thank you.